Hi everyone, I have one more quick training video for you because I know that some of you have been having trouble, myself included, with Chandango recently, especially when embedding onto a WordPress site. So what I have in front of us is actually another free service, which is called Chatwing. This one's going to require a little bit more work up front, but it will be so easy once we get it done. So you're going to go over to chatwing.com and I'm going to log out, but you would hit login or build your first chat. You are going to have to create an account, which is fine, no worries. Log in here. And you are going to notice that I already have some boxes made. But what I want you to go up to do is go to Dashboard, Add New, and then this is where you're going to be able to customize what your chat room is going to look like. So you can change the color so it matches branding. They let you do a lot of stuff. You actually can pick social networks that you want people to be able to share with. It is really pretty fantastic. So what you want to do when you are all said and done, it will automatically generate a site name for it. Is you're going to hit save once it looks the way you want. Okay, now here's where it takes another extra step, which is why we didn't go over it today. When you hop back over to your WordPress site, you're going to go to plugins and go to add new. And you only have to add this plugin once, and it is very, very secure. So do not worry about it. You will not get hacked. It is a brand name one, if you will. Even though you see it doesn't have too many downloads, the reason is because Chatwing recently changed their service. Before you didn't need this plugin, but now you do. So go ahead and search for Chatwing. It's going to be this little box. As you can see, it just got updated. It is brand spanking new. So go ahead and install. You are going to want to hit activate. Then what's going to happen is if you scroll down, you'll see Chatwing is now over here as one of your plugins. So go ahead and click on it on the sidebar. Now I had already integrated this into my website, so that's why you're seeing all these shortcodes. What you're going to do is, once you have this screen up, go over to Chatwing, scroll all the way down, excuse me, we're going to go up to where it says use Chatbox. And then it is going to say plugins. And it'll say WordPress, and it will ask you to generate a token, which is just this big long number. So we're going to go ahead and copy it, bring it back over here to where it says access code, plunk it down there, and you want to make sure that you put in default width and height, or else your chat will not show up. So I just like to go with 500, 500, but that's just me. I like to keep it simple. So then you hit save. And once you do that, it will integrate any of the chat boxes that you've already created when you are on their website. So we'll just click over here, the little home button. So see, they're all right there, and then they're all right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Shortcode, and a little screen will pop up, and you're going to hit Control and copy. Now I want you to go to the page that you created that already has your Google Hangout on it. So let us go here, and I'm just going to be using a test page. You're going to want to make sure you're switched over to text. Again, this part might be a little bit different on yours, but you want to go to text, and then you are going to paste the short code, as it's called, for Chatwing. You can switch over to visual, and you're going to see that it has a lettering, so you might not think that it works, but it actually is indeed working. So what you want to do is hit update. It might take a couple minutes, and then go ahead and view your page. And see, there is the chat box. Now, if you had your Google Hangout, of course, you would want to put that code up on top of the chat wing, but see, people can go. I have been informed that some people don't get as much interaction on this because you have to sign in with Facebook or Twitter, but just tell your people that they're going to have to and that their information is safe and they can go right ahead. As you see, this could stand to be a bit bigger. And if you notice that you want to change it just a little bit, you can always go over to edit page, text again, and then right there for the height and the width, that's where you would go ahead and change it. So I hope that this helps. And I'm sorry if anyone had been trying to set up their webinar and could not do so with the other chat provider. So I'm going to have a really quick cheat sheet to go with this video as well, because I know it's a lot of steps at the beginning, but you will be set to go. So when you want to create a brand new chat box for your next webinar, you do come back to Chatwing. You do create it at their main website, which is a little annoying, I'll admit. And then when you go back to your plugin for Chatwing, it will refresh, if you will, and show more of your boxes. So I hope that you guys have a great night, and I love hearing all about your webinars. Bye, guys.